Hi guys, I'm back again and I have a snack crate. Let's see where it's from. Ooh, Japan. Ha ha. Let's crack it open. Let's see what all we talking about. Okay. I can't read that. I don't know what that say, child. Well, let me see. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Oh, looks like this is gonna be good. Now, before I get into the snack crate, well, no, I'm not gonna tell you guys that. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I know that's not the flag. Usually I put the flag on there, but that's not the flag this time. Ooh, this looks like a taco. This looks like a taco. Look at that. Okay. Crunchy. Okay, this feels like wafers. It's very light. Kitkat. It's pink. It's a pink Kitkat. And I got a green one. Sours. I don't know, something. Something says sour. Another wafer. Oh, this looks interesting. I don't know what that is, but it looks extremely interesting. Grats. It looks like, is it edamame? I think that's how you say it. That's what it looks like. Those beans or peas or whatever. Ooh, watermelon something. Ooh, gummies. It's candy. Look like some, oh, wait, what did it say? Do-it-yourself apple-flavored chewing candy. That does not sound exciting to me. Okay, these remind me of candy cigarettes. In the little box with the foil paper around. Remember you used to think you was smoking when you was little? Blow the little smoke. You can only do it once or twice. And then it had no more smoke on it. Pretz Tomato. Oh, I guess these are like breadsticks or something with tomato flavoring. Okay. I don't know what this is. Kind of hard. Kind of soft though. Something. And I choose. These are good. I already know these good. I ain't trying these on camera. These going in the stockpile. I'm putting them up. But that's it. That's all that's in the box. So let's see what we about to try. I can't wait to try these. The taco chips. That's what I'm calling them. Taco chips. On the back it said Viva Happy. They smell like tacos. Oh, they taste good. If I can get it out. Struggling. Bomb.com. These are so good. It tastes like I got a fresh taco right here in the bag. Y'all, this is so good. Okay, Japan. So what I was going to tell you guys was, Remember when I told you guys I had a big trip coming up and I was supposed to be going somewhere? Well, the trip is supposed to be, I was supposed to be going to Tokyo. So I got this great trip of a lifetime. That's supposed to be going to Tokyo. I'm also supposed to be going to, I think, South Korea as well on the same trip. So it's like a 2-week trip. And right now it's looking kind of shady. So I don't know if we're going to still get to go or not. But we'll see. This COVID thing has really just ruined so many plans. But at the same time, you know, we understand because we definitely want to put ourselves at jeopardy or put anybody else's health at jeopardy. So we're just kind of taking it one day at a time. But our trip is scheduled for April. So we're just praying and hoping that there's a solution or some way that we'll be able to go on this trip. If not, we bought travel insurance for our trip. So I'm just praying and hoping that we can still make it on the trip. But Lord Jesus, right now the borders are still closed to Japan. So we're just like, oh my God. And I'm just like, okay, I'm not going to think negative about it. You know, I'm hoping I can still go. But when I got this box in the mail, I was like, please, Lord, let this be a sign that I'm still going to go to Japan. Because I really want to go. I've always wanted to go to Tokyo. It's always been a dream of mine. So I'm hoping I can go and have some of these good snacks in person. All right, so next, okay, I'm gonna do something sweet. Okay, let's try the watermelon gummies. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's in a resealable bag. Because usually you get this stuff and it's not in a resealable bag. Okay. Oh, Lord, this look like this could be sweet and sour. Okay, Jesus. Ooh, it smells so good, y'all. Ooh, I wish I could smell it. Is there a trick? Nope. Japan is on hit. Okay. It look like a peach though, or a booty, one of the two. I don't know. These are so good. This is good. It's late at night, so I'm not gonna eat any more of those. That's good. It's just some Crystal Light, child. Ain't nothing exciting. Don't get excited. Okay, let's try the grants. So I'm guessing these are edamame. I don't know. We're just gonna open it. But that's what I'm trying. These. It's got a thing of beer on here, so I'm guessing this is like maybe beer, like what we do with beer nuts or something. I don't know. Child, I'm guessing. Oh, it's got a, ooh. That's what it looked like. But it's got almonds in it too. Lord, please don't let no, if this is wasabi flavor, I'ma holler. Y'all finna holler. I'm finna holler on camera for the first time. Hold on, I'm trying to get an almond too. Come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's not spicy. It's exactly what it is. Edamame and almonds. It's all crunchy. Not bad. Two thumbs up, Japan. So far, everything is good. Now I'm gonna try one of the wafers. I don't know. I'm guessing it's like sweet. I hope so, but I'm gonna try this wafer. And y'all see my decorations in the back? I'm hosting, oh, this ain't sweet. This look like it got some kind of flavoring. It's like a giant Funyun. Literally, you see the seasoning on it? The seasoning. Okay. Should I take it all in my mouth? Just kidding. Yeah, that's Japan. Y'all killing it. Y'all in the game for real. Oh, they're killing it. Killing it. Oh, they're killing it. This is so good. This is like the best crunch. Just the right amount of salt and seasoning flavor. Oh, this is so good. I just like the flavoriness on it. Okay. This is really good. I hope I get to go. So I have 2 of these, so I'm just gonna eat the one. I'm gonna say that, that's good. Dang, that's real good. Okay. I know I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna get this to a child, because I am not gonna be fooling with that mess. Oh, ooh, sours, oh Lord. Y'all know I'm famous for a face now. Okay, let's see, sours. And again, a resealable bag. I love that, Japan, love that. Oh, yeah, so about my Christmas decorations, I'm hosting a party. Well, excuse me, hold on. Let me get it straight. A get together for a few folk. Oh, it's like little turtles. Oh, they are little turtles. Look at the bag. Little turtles on them. Okay, I'm scared, nervous, because everything been on hit so far. So I know they finna come with this flavor that's gonna knock my socks off. I need but one. Okay. It ain't sour. It's not bad. Let me bite down. See if my jaw's gonna lock up. It's good. Japan, oh my God. Please, COVID-19, go away. Please go away. But I'm ready to ride that. Whatever we finna be riding, smooth over there. Start packing tonight. I'm so ready to go. My Lord. Okay, what this is here. I'm gonna rinse my mouth out. Okay. So now we got some Pretz Tomato. I was 2 packs in here. Oh, so, boy, you can do a lot of little stuff with this stuff, huh? So they're so innovative in their packaging. Okay, so you get 2 packs. There's another package in here. They tell you all these different ways to open the stuff and closing it back up. Okay, they give you a prepaid tear. Well, go on there in Japan. Go ahead. Look at that. You see that? So, oh, it's a pretzel stick. Oh, I'm so remedial. So it's a tomato flavored pretzel stick. See the little pretzel lines on it? Okay. Oh, that's good. That's real good. I like that. Japan. Baby, I might ride my car over there. My shoot. If I'm gonna have to come rig up something. See if I can slip in. Bring it over there. What this is here now? Okay. Look like they say oyster. I don't know about y'all, but that sure look like they say oyster to me. I don't know. This part. I don't want to eat nothing that's nasty. I'm scared of stuff like this. We don't know what it is. Lord, I don't know. Okay, let's just go for the Kitkat. Now, Japan supposedly has, not Japan, but Tokyo has the largest variety of Kit Kats in the world. And I am, oh, so ready. Are these strawberry? They are strawberry. Strawberry Kit Kats. I hope they're not yogurt because I'm like, what is happening? They tart. Okay, this may not. Oh, girl, these are pixie sticks. Oh my God, what a trick! This is a pixie stick flavored Kit Kat. Oh my God, wow. This sure is. This is a pixie stick. I can't tell because I don't read Japanese. I don't know about y'all, but I don't. Oh my God, it's good. Wow. I'm gonna save my other one. Get you right here. Shoot. Okay, what else we got? Not doing that, not doing that. What is some kind of nuts? Choco balls. They said it, I didn't. I'm just reading it. Chocolate balls. All right. Well, yep, that's what they said. Chocolate balls. Okay. Chocolate covered peanuts, that's all it is. Okay. Tastes like chocolate covered peanuts, that's all it is. Nothing exciting. I'm nervous about this, y'all. I really am, because this looks weird. Y'all look at this and tell me it don't look weird. That looks like, I don't know. Everything I have eaten so far tastes delicioso. Girl, I don't know what this is. This looks like some old bread. It smells kind of funny. Uh-oh. Can it break off? Oh, oh, Lord. It gave in when I tried. Oh, wait a minute, Jesus. Look at the inside. Help, Lord. Oh, Jesus, look at this. Y'all see this? Oh, God. Okay. All right. All right. You're grown. You can do it. You can be anything and eat. Tastes like I'm eating sweet seaweed. It's melting in my mouth and there's nothing I can do about it. It's really, seriously, that's not nasty. It's not. I was very nervous. I don't want to eat anymore. It's not nasty. It's the texture for me. It's like a weird cotton candy. A cotton candy that has a layer on top of it. But it's like, what's the candy? Dragon's beard. Kind of put you in mind of that. It's like between the mix of dragon's beard, cotton candy, and something like that. But it has a layer on it, like a hard layer. Not a hard layer that would hurt your mouth, but just like a firm layer, I should say. Well, yeah, that's I don't know what it's called, but it's not bad. I just, you know, it'll throw you off if you ain't ready, because I definitely was not ready. But Japan, I mean, great. It was fabulous. I don't know what this is, so let's try this. Let me rinse the palettes. By the way, do you like the vest? You know, it's my Golden Doodle 2019. I bought it last year. No. I bought it. Yes, I bought it last year. I went on a ski trip. where I did not ski. Just wanted to look good. Oh, this, okay, this like lemon. Okay, I feel like this finna be a nuclear bomb in my mouth. With these little, all these little animals with 3 eyes and stuff like that. Child, you don't get but 3. This finna do something for to have me locked up for 3 days. I knew it. This is very sour. It's very sour. I'm gonna have you talking like a duck. Super sour flavor. Oh, it's gum. And 3 energy drink bubble gum. What? Why would they do this to somebody? Lord have mercy. Japan. Woo. Okay. I gotta get it off the one side of my mouth, but it just like latched onto my teeth over here. I'm salivating and I can't make it stop. Lord, have mercy. Trying to stay cute on camera, but I'm having such a hard time. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Okay. They're dead wrong for that right there. That is so wrong. That's just wrong. But they make your eyes lock up. Your eyes, your teeth, your tongue, your salivary glands, everything. My word. These right here. You see them little monsters? That's just how you gonna be looking. You gonna have 3 eyes. One gonna form here. Some you gonna get some kind of things you ain't never know you had back here. My God. Well, all right, y'all. So my favorites were Pretz, the watermelon, the wafer, and what else? Wasn't that for sure? Oh, these were good. Oh, I forgot about the taco chips. So these were my favorite. Do a thumbnail at that. Okay. Anyway, here's my thumbnail. I just wasted those all over the table. But anyways, this is the Japan box. Japan, awesome. Awesome. If you guys don't order Snack Crate or don't use Snack Crate or whatever, you can order this one box, because I'm telling you, everything is in this Japan box is awesome sauce. It is so good. Japan, and what did I have last time that was really good? India. India's box and Japan's box is off the chain. I'll link my India's, video to this video so you guys can see it, but it is awesome sauce. But anyways, guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I get to go to Japan, Tokyo, and South Korea and all that, and all the in-betweens in April. So I'll let you guys know, keep you guys posted on that. But anyways, guys, I love you. You are loved. Whatever you're doing, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys on the next episode.